Hello, this is Anya from Crystal Rose Temple. Today's message is about elementals, nature spirits, the four elements. To be honest, I had not the honor to see fairies or gnomes, but I have seen light and I can sense a presence when I'm out in nature. Not all the time, but occasionally this does happen. And of course the elements. And this card for me is a reminder to reconnect to the elements and also to the hidden folk. When we really can go into a forest which is untouched by humans, it feels very different as when we are walking in a man-made forest or in a park. The elementals can teach us a lot, and they're very different compared to angels. Elementals have a strong personality and opinions. I started to work more with the elementals and the elements due to my priestess training and path. And this card really for me is a reminder to go out in nature, spending a lot of time in nature and just be. And also to connect to the elements. Really feel the breeze on your skin and connecting with the water, especially when we have access to a beach, rather than just sitting on the beach, sunbathing and reading the newspaper. How about meditating on the beach? Or, a walking meditation is a good way of doing that. And of course, when we're walking barefoot on the beach, especially if you're in the water, it is very beneficial for our physical body. We are earthing, and earthing is grounding, is letting go of negative ions in our body. If you can, for today, try to go out in nature and connect with the earth, with the elements, and if you can, with the elementals. And that's the message for today. You can find out more about what I do and who I am on my website www.crystalrosetemple.com. Wishing you all a beautiful day. Bye for now.